Here's Baby and her brand new toy. Got lots of new toys today.
You liking that, Elizabeth?
That's a good.
Are you pleased with your new toy?
Is that fun?
You like it? Okay, let's go. Boom.
She's like, we gotta go places, Daddy.
Boom.
Bye. Bye, Elizabeth.
Where's Mommy? There she
Bye.
is.
Are you guys gonna go down the path?
Yep.
Here they go. There they go.
Four-wheeling.
Whoa.
We are
Wild territory. Elizabeth, what do you think about your new toy? What do you think? Is that pretty cool? Yes? You are mobile.